Hey everybody, Dan Henry here, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to deal with haters on your Facebook ads, hater comments, okay? Yes, I'm rocking the Boba Fett shirt today. Listen, here's the deal with people that comment on your Facebook ads and they troll and they leave negative comments. These people are people you should not worry about, okay? Because no one is going to criticize you that is doing more than you. The only people that will criticize you are people that are doing less. Because if they had time to sit there and criticize you, they wouldn't be doing much of anything. All right? So think about that for a second. Someone is sitting down on Facebook, scrolling through funny cat videos or whatever it is. They see an ad they don't like. They actually take the time to sit down and comment. What kind of person is this? Do you really think they're succeeding at business or whatever it is that they're doing in life? Do you think they have time for that if they were successful? No, of course not, okay? So nobody who is doing anything worth a crap is going to take the time to comment negatively on your ads. Therefore, why would you take their opinion, okay? If you were a bodybuilder and you happen to stroll down to the local Dunkin' Donuts and somebody who weighed 350 pounds and had 17 donuts there started critiquing your physique, would you take them seriously? Of course you wouldn't. You would just laugh. You'd be like, what is this? That's the same thing with your Facebook ads. People comment that are just not of a quality that you should take their opinion seriously. Now, that's not to be confused with people who have legitimate questions, people who have legitimate concerns, people who have something to say that maybe they're not sure. That is not who I'm talking about, so don't get it twisted. I'm talking about the people who don't ever intend on buying from you, and they're literally just taking time out of their day to criticize you or troll you or just be okay? That's who I'm talking about. Those people are the people that you should not care about, because here's the threshold of quality, okay? A quality intellectual piece of advice from another human being's mouth, right? Here's where you should listen. Here's where you should really listen. Here's where you should definitely probably consider listening. Here's where you shouldn't listen. Here's where these people are that comment way down here, okay? Now, there'll probably be people that'll comment on this post and do the same thing. You should see all the comments. We spend about $200,000 a month on advertising. You should see the comments I get. Do I care? No. Sometimes on a Sunday, I'll take time to respond for my own personal entertainment if I'm bored. Other than that, I don't care, okay? And neither should you. So if you're running ads and you're getting this like, oh my God, the haters, the commenters, I can't deal with it, I can't deal with it, I can't deal with it. Don't worry. Daddy's here to tell you, it's okay. It's okay. My staff is dying right now. Seriously though, who cares what they say? Like, they're not doing anything worth a crap. They're not going to take their time to troll you if they're doing more than you. Only people will do that are doing less than you. So you stick to you, you do you, you keep working on your business, and you will succeed. Don't worry about those haters. If anything, they drive up your engagement. So come on, haters. Comment on this post. Give me my engagement. All right? See y'all later. Dan Henry out.